Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pole laying down over 600 roll horsepower on this 14 GT manual transmission that has our Roush TVS 2300 710R package on it. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, hit notify, stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, what's the ingredients of the 710R? We're going to talk about it. I'm also going to tell you a few other mods we installed on this sweet 93 octane 14 GT right here. Doug, let's go down and take a look. So it's our 710R package. This fits 11 to 14 Mustangs. It's a Roush TVS 2300. You get the GT 500 throttle body, the awesome Roush air induction system, 47-pound fuel injectors, boost to pump, Kohler spark plugs, but we didn't stop there. Stainless power long tube headers. We installed those. You may have some questions about the parts I'm telling you about right now. Don't worry. Open that description. You can click on the link, read a lot more about it, and email quote@brenspeed.com to say, hey, what's this cost to get built? But we did bill of oil pump gears, rear cylinder head cooling kit, because we love cooling mods. So you got the high flow GT 500 electric fan, 170 T-stat. Check out this dyno pole. All right, check out these numbers. Doug, come over here. I love it. DynoJet SAE, 609 roll horsepower, peaking right around 7,000 RPM. Torque comes in fantastic. 519 roll torque, peaking at 4,500. Again, this is a stock engine, Gen 1 Coyote. So this package fits 11 to 14 Mustangs. But look at this car. Super sleeper. You gotta love it. Again, very simple combo. 14 GT, manual transmission, 93 octane, set a long tube header, 710R package. It's awesome on the street, full boost right when you go wide open throttle, so you have killer torque. Hey, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. And again, this is Brent from Brenspeed. We're located in Indiana. For a lot of you can never figure that out. You always ask me, hey, where are you located? Google, Brenspeed, we're in Indiana. 574-594-9559. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.